So it's the right time now, and we need to start because time does not wait for anyone, so shouldn't we? The story does not have a title today again, but it's shared to me by my closed people around, and it is very necessary today to listen to the story because it's telling a lot about today's time. The story today begins like that. Once, Lord Indra got upset with the farmers. He announced there will be no rainfall and you won't be able to grow crops for 12 years. Farmers begged for leniency from Lord Indra, who then said, rain will be possible only if Lord Shiva plays his Damru. But secretly, as we all know, Lord Indra requested Lord Shiva to not to agree to these farmers. And when farmers went to Lord Shiva, he repeated the same thing, that he won't play the Damru for 12 years. Disappointed farmers went back and thought of waiting till 12 years. But one farmer was there who was regularly digging, treating and putting manure in the soil and sowing the seeds even with no crops emerging. Other farmers were making fun of him. After 3 years, all the farmers asked the farmer, why are you wasting your time and energy when you know that there will be no rainfall for 12 years? He replied, I know that the crop won't come out, but I'm doing it as a matter of practice. After 12 years, I will forget what is the process of sowing, growing the crops, and working in the field. So I must keep on going, so that I'm fit to produce the crop the moment it rains after 12 years. Hearing his argument, Goddess Parvati got impressed and praised his version to Lord Shiva. And you know what she said? You may also forget playing the Damru after 12 years. The innocent Lord Shiva, in his anxiety, just tried to play the Damru to check if he could. And hearing the sound of Damru, immediately there was rain. And the farmer, who was working regularly in the field, got his crops immediately emerged out, while others were disappointed. In this practice, which keeps on making you perfect, we become even diseased or old just because we don't practice. Practice is the essence of quality survival. The story and the present context today is very much similar. We need to ask ourselves, what are we waiting for? And is it necessary to wait? Lastly, we lost a legend today, as we all know. But let not the legend within us die. We need to move on. We need to keep moving. We need to keep practicing, so that when things are okay enough, we are okay ourselves and we can work. This was a short story today. I hope this is something that has brought a correlation to you with the present scenario and lightened up your mood as well and boosted your moral to work forward, to keep on moving. This is a great time that we have got. This time won't come back and also shouldn't come back. I hope this stays for you, with you forever. Thank you for joining. It was great, and it is always great to read stories to you. You're a wonderful audience with these amazing comments. Thank you for so much support. You can keep on sharing your stories with me. It's in Hindi or in English. I would love to read out your stories. I know the story was quite emotional, but this is the need of hour. Thank you so much. Thank you for your comments. Keep motivating me. You are my motivation. Would love to see you next sometime. Thank you so much. Have a great night ahead with a beautiful morning tomorrow. Bye bye.